I just got these sticks this morning, bruh. I just got these sticks. Man, you ain't trying to get one of these sticks, man. Yeah, dude, I got it right here, bruh. Both sticks. They must be small. So let's look and see what's going on here. Let's open this trash up. Now let's go ahead and try to play with it for having this tournament on Saturday. I'm gonna see what I could do. I might just go ahead and use pad. I don't know. I'll probably just stick with pad for the tournament, but I'll mess around with the stick also, because I'm already used to the pads. So I'll just stick with that. Hopefully these sticks aren't cheap. Hopefully they're not cheap. They won't break on me. I'll buy. Feel like it's Christmas out here. It feels like Christmas. It feels like Christmas out here in these streets. It feels like Christmas. Feels like Christmas out here in these streets. Alright, look at that. Nice. Yeah, they seem to be pretty small sticks. I just hope they're not cheap. Look nice, but you can't judge a book by its cover. Once we start playing hard, have my dudes come over and play that Virtua Fighter, that's when we're gonna find out how find out these sticks are really serious. It's not always about how the stick looks. You have to find out what parts they use. People keep asking what parts they use, So we'll see. I mean, it's a pretty good price. Better than buying a Hori stick. It costs $120. So here we go. We have my PlayStation stick and my Xbox stick. Here you have it. There you go. Pro fighting stick. We're gonna see how pro it is real soon. But it looks nice. It looks nice. It looks like a Hori stick actually. It looks like a Hori stick. But how good is it? That's the question. Here's the PlayStation one. PS3, PS2. And they have it in Japanese down here. You see, they tell you this stick here is designed. It's designed for fighters. Okay, that's the indication there. It's designed for fighters. Okay. This is Homo Atakai no Game no Tame no Senmon Designer. We're gonna find out. But yeah, dude, I just wanted to make this video to show you. I wanted to show you these damn sticks, man. I'm not even gonna put this video up on YouTube. I'm just gonna make it private and I'll just save it and just send it to you. But yeah, it looks good, man. So there you have it. It looks just like a Hori stick. It sure does. Look, just like a Hori stick. Look at that. Just like a Hori. I think it might be good. Yup, it may be good. We'll see. We'll find out real soon. Real soon. So that's the PlayStation one. This is the Xbox one. My wife is gonna kill me, dude. Nah. Yep. And this is the Xbox 360 stick. Here you have it. These are the sticks I just ordered. Looks cool, man. Looks real nice, doesn't it? We're gonna see how good it is, though. We're gonna see real soon how good it is. Yes, sir. So there you have it. You have both sticks. You have my Xbox and my 360. Alright. So I'll let you guys know how good the sticks are. Like I said, once my buddies come over and we play that Virtua Fighter real hard, we'll see how good it is. If it breaks. But that concludes this video.